Hello guys, what's up? This is Alpha and today I'll be teaching you how you can actually earn money from altcoins on Binance. How can you trade and earn more money on altcoin on Binance? So this is my future and currently I am under the altcoin. So this are my altcoin. So what does altcoin mean? Altcoin simply means the coin that are currently being bought at a very high percentage of people, and the coin that are currently being sold at a very high percentage of people also. So the rates at which people buy this coin are very large. That is why they are under the hot coin, and the rate at which people sell this coin are very high. That is the reason why they are under the altcoin, because they are currently the coin that are under either the top gainers and the top losers. These are the coins that are either under the top gainers or the top losers, and ways in which you can actually earn money or you can trade using this altcoin is just by simply, okay, let's take a coin for instance. Okay, let's use the first one, which is BNB, to take our sample. Okay, BNB, look at the candlestick of BNB under 1 hour chart. Can you see the rate at which BNB falls from this amount 370 to this amount 304? Simply because they are very large amount of people that are currently selling this BNB. They are selling it off either on spot or on futures. They are just selling it off. That is the reason why the amount of sellers are too high. That is the reason why this candlestick has many red in it, from this 317 here to this 303. The candlestick chart has many two red in it, simply because sellers are too high. The amount of people selling this coin are too high. So that is the reason why it is under hot coin, because this coin is under the top losers, coin. Why? Because the sellers, the people selling this coin are currently too high. The percentage of people selling the coin is too high. So how can you gain using um altcoins? BNB for instance, how can you gain when BNB is under the top losers under the altcoin? How can you gain from it? When you've seen that BNB has done all it wants to do, when it has finished and falling, all you need to do is to wait for some hours, probably 4 hours, 6 hours, or a day. You keep watching it and you are going to get this insight after carrying your analysis of when BNB wants to want to rise. So immediately BNB want to rise, you as a spot trader, you have to go and buy BNB at a very low price, like now, which is under 303, because probably tomorrow or next tomorrow it is going to rise back to 314 or more than 314. So after buying this coin at a very lower price, all you need to do as a spot trader is to sell it at higher price and you gain your profit. That is how you can earn on hot coins under this one that has a very high percentage of top losers, in which people are currently selling off. So let's use another coin for instance. Okay, let's take this key for instance. Key is under the altcoin because it is a top gainer coin. You know, the last one we talked about is a top loser coin. Why this one is a top gainer coin? Why? Because the amount of buyer buying this coin are very high. That is the reason why it has to go upward like this. The amount of buyers buying this coin are currently too high. They are too high. See how it goes on from 0.06 to 0.09. So you as a as either a spot trader or a futures trader, all you need to do is to long this coin from a 0 point, or is to short this coin from a 0.099. You short it to any amount you want it to be. You can either stop here or you can stop here so as to gain your profit. But you as a spot trader, you can't trade here because it is currently under top beginners. It is still gaining. All you need to do as a spot trader is to wait for this coin to fall. Once this coin has fallen, then you can now set in and buy the coin at lower price. Then you will wait for it and sell it at higher price. So in my next video, I'll be doing a video on how you can buy coin on Binance, either on spot or a futures, how you can buy coin and sell coin so as to gain more profit on your trade. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy my video, kindly like, subscribe and share so as to gain access to more of my videos. Thank you.